Today I'm going to show you a relatively quick and easy way to get a forecasting adjustment when you're doing a relocation appraisal. And the first thing you will need to do is export data out of your MLS system, and you can export that into an Excel spreadsheet. What I have done here is I am looking for sales and pending listings that are located in Washington Township, Hendricks County. I want the sales to have occurred within the past year, 1,500 to 2,500 square feet, constructed from 2000 to 2008 with no basement. And so what you're doing is you're trying to get some comparable data in order to do this analysis. Now, here's the information that I have. And the first thing that I want to do is I want to sort this data because I want all the pendings together and all the sold together. And with my cursor in cell A2, I'm going to go ahead and hit Control Shift down, come over here to sort and filter, do this A to Z, go ahead and sort, and now I have all my pending data up here at the top. Now, what we want to do at this point is determine a reasonable estimate for when the pending listing is actually going to close. And in most cases here, I'm just going to use 30 days. So I'm going to hit equal sign, and I will take my purchase contract date plus 30 days, and we get August 8th of 2023. Here I want to just grab this little green box, and I am going to click and drag. And now what I need to do is come up with a reasonable close price for my pending data. And the way that I'm going to do this is I'm going to look for the sale price to list price ratio. And I'm going to do that by hitting the equal sign, and I want to take my sale price divided by the list price, hit enter, and we get a 1. So I'm going to change this to a percentage, and I personally like to take it out to 2 decimal places. Click on there, and now what I'm going to do is this little green box in the bottom right corner, I'm just going to double click on that, and that will then take that formula all the way through the rest of those sales. Now what I want to do is determine what the median sale price list price ratio is going to be. So I'll hit equal sign, median, open parenthesis. I will click on the first one, hit Control Shift down. That will highlight all of them. I just hit enter at that point. And as you can see, the median is 100%. And so since it's 100%, my close price is just going to be the same as the list price. And again, I will click and drag that down through the rest of them. So now we have the estimated close price and the estimated close date for all of our pending data. In order to get the forecasting adjustment, we can simply highlight close date and close price, Control Shift down, and I want to come up here to Insert and grab the scatter graph, and let me make this a little bigger. You can see we obviously have an outlier up here. It's going to be our top sale here at the 559. I'm going to go ahead and delete that, so we don't want that data in here. Now we have a cleaner looking scatter graph. What I want to do at this point is just go in here and add the trend line. And I will go ahead and hit display equation. And obviously you can't see that very well, so I'm going to drag that down here to the bottom. Let's bold it and make it bigger. Now, looking at the graph, I would very likely say we have stable property value trends, so you may not want to take the adjustment, but if you're going to take the adjustment, $9 per day should be a reasonable and supportable adjustment for your forecasting adjustment on a relo appraisal. Thank you.